Good morning. Myself Shalini Garg, lecturer electronics, Government Polytechnic College. आज के इंस्ट्रक्शन करने से पहले let us consider two more. Next, ask instructions. We have four ask instructions. Now, first instruction, ask just after. Next instruction, ask just after subtraction. Next instruction, ask just after multiplication. It converts binary number between 000H to 0063 in AX register to unpack BCD form used after mul instruction. Suppose we want to multiply two ASCII numbers 4 and 9, which is equivalent to 34 and 39. Unpacked BCD will be 04 multiplied by 09, which is equivalent to 36, and in ASCII it will be equivalent to 3336. Now, the program for this ASCII multiplication, move AL, 04, move the unpacked BCD form of first number in AL register. Second, move VL, 09, move the second number, unpacked BCD form of second number in VL, so VL is equal to 09. Mul BL, this will give AX is equal to AL multiplied by content of BL, that is 04 into 09, which is equal to 24 in hexadecimal, that is after mul operation AX will be equal to 24H. Now ask it just after multiplication converts this 24 to unpacked BCD form, which is 36 ka BCD, which is 0306. You can convert it to ASCII by using instruction add AX, 3030 after this instruction. So AL will become AX will be equal to 0306 plus 3030, which is equal to 3336. Now this is the actually program for BCD multiplication. You can make it for ASCII multiplication by moving the ASCII number 34 and 36 in AL and BL, and then masking the upper digits and using the instruction add AX, 3030 after AAM instruction. The next instruction is AAD, which stands for ASCII adjust before division. This is the only instruction which performs conversion before division. It requires AX register to contain 2-digit unpacked BCD number. The BCD number should be between 0 to 99. It converts that into equivalent binary number so that it can be divided using div instruction. For example, suppose I want to divide BCD number 58 by 7. So I will load unpacked BCD value of 58 in AX, that is move AX, 0508, that is load dividend in AX, which is equal to 0508. डिवाइजर मैं किसी भी रजिस्टर में मूव कर सकती हूँ. सपोज मैंने DL में मूव किया, मूव DL, 07, so this becomes DL equal to 07. Now ASCII adjust before division. ये क्या करेगा? 0508. This is unpacked BCD number जिसकी equivalent hexadecimal number is 003A. So after this instruction, AX will be equal to 003A. Now div DL instruction, it will divide 003A by 07, which is same as decimal में division by 58 by 7. It gives Q equal to 08 and R equal to 02 in decimal, which is same as 08 and 02 in hexadecimal. So after div instruction, Q will be in AL, which is equal to 08, and AH will be remainder will be in AH, which is equal to 02. So this is program for BCD division. You can convert it into ASCII division by adding instruction add AX, 3030 after this div DL instruction. It will convert Q to 38 and remainder to 38, that is ASCII of 8 and 2 respectively. So that's all for today, and this completes arithmetic instructions. That's all. Thank you.